Hey guys, good morning, welcome to a new vlog. So this vlog, you guys, I know you have seen this shirt like 1,000 times now in like 3 videos I believe, but bear with me, I'm still in my moving process. So it's literally what I have that I can wear right now and what is accessible, so whatever. I'm on my way out and I'm going to go buy, I know that see, my enemies are working. I'm going to go clear my utility bills from my previous apartment. I want to clear everything so that I know that I'm done. You guys, the amount of money that I have spent this week, I have spent like almost 20k. Yeah, that's how bad it is. Like, the next thing I owe, they should tell me now, let me pay it and be going, because this apartment has cost me so much. And yes, I'll explain later in this vlog, probably when I'm there, and you know, I'll show you guys everything and why I decided to move. I'm also craving ofe nsala, white soup. I'm craving burger, but I want to make burger because I make one of the best burgers, you know, in the world. So yeah, I want to make burger as well. So on my way back, I'm going to stop at the grocery store and buy some things that I'll be using that I don't have at home to make these 2 things. I want to make burger and fries, and I want to make white soup. You guys must have seen my hair wash video by now. So yeah, my appointment is on Friday and that's why I've not done my hair yet. So I'm trying to clear up the bills today so that tomorrow Thursday I can fully move out, and then Friday go get my hair done, because this weekend I'm also having a date night and I don't want to like be all over the place when it's time to get ready. You get like, go get stuff from that place, come here, get ready, or get ready there. Like, I don't want all of that. Yeah, so that's the plan. Subscribe to me if you're not subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel. The goal this year is to hit 1,200 subscribers, so please help me out and thumbs up this video. Super necessary. Leave a comment, spam comments. When you leave so much comments, especially when like I initially dropped the video, it actually helps my algorithm. Like, the whole YouTube engine just like tends to push out that particular video. So try as much as possible to leave comments and thumbs up the video. Okay, that being said, let's head out. guys, I've been obsessed with alcohol lately, so my yoga is taking me to go and buy alcohol in the middle of the night. Currently in this apartment now. I came in about how many minutes ago? I came in about 5 minutes ago anyway. So I want to show you guys the reason why I'm leaving, and yeah, just share with you guys everything. I know that I remember telling you guys that I will explain in this vlog further when I'm in the apartment. So let me quickly show you guys around this place. I don't think I ever did a tour about this place, so let me just update you guys. Okay, so this is the backdrop that you guys are used to seeing. Sorry about the marks and all that. Then this is like my box. Another box is also inside, and then scale and all that. Then the chair, I haven't been here for a while, so it looks a bit messy. This is the TV area, and a mini storage area as well. And then this is like where the dining is. You guys remember when I bought this mat and all that? That's like my business packaging there. And here is now like the bedroom area, and this is like the stand. This is the bed frame, and then I have this box where I store all my hair materials. Everything that I use for my hair, I store it there. Things that I don't really reach out for every day, I store it there. And this is the bed area. This is the stand, the vanity dresser that I recently got, and then I have a box there as well, and then wardrobe. And then now this is the kitchen area, you guys. So now, before that, this is the toilet. I've showed you guys the toilet before, so I'm not going to go into that. So this is the kitchen area, guys. And one thing I really loved about this apartment was because it was white. 2, it was really beautiful and aesthetically pleasing. 3 was the view. 4 was what the condo itself was offering. Like there's a pool, there's a chill out area, there's also a convenience store. So there were so many reasons why I chose this apartment. There were also like a grill area, there's a place for picnic. Like there was just so many. It's like a resort slash apartment kind of setting. So this thing now where the cooker is, anytime I'm cooking, it's always shaky. I requested that it was being changed, and then the lady said I would have to be the one to pay for it. And then she gave me a quotation of I think 5,000 pesos. And then I said, why will I be building a house for somebody? Like, yes, it's for my comfort, but when I want to move out, you and I know that Filipinos will not give you a dime for it. So I just overlooked it, and I kept managing it. Now another day is I stayed here. I was out of this house for like 2-3 days, and then I came back. I was just seated on my bed, and then I just heard a fall. It happened to be this kitchen flap. Anyways, prior before the floor, it was shaking. I didn't notice it at the time that I came to view the apartment. I noticed after I had moved in. So this thing had been shaking for some time, and then it fell. Then they came to give me a quotation, and they gave me a quotation of 20,000. Somebody else came and gave me a quotation of 15k to repair it. And then I said, okay, how am I going to go about it? The unit owner told me that I'll be the one to have to pay for it because I'm in the apartment already. You guys, funny, right? So we kind of met an agreement, because I told her I can't pay a full payment for an apartment that it's not mine. So I'm going to pay half of it which was fair enough. So me paying half the money, right, was great. Now, this microwave is the loudest generator I've heard in my entire life. This thing, once you turn it on, the entire world will know that you turn on this thing, and I just couldn't deal with it. So there's just so many things with it. First of all, I'm going to appreciate the owner of this apartment. When I moved in, when I found this place, it didn't have a wardrobe, it didn't have a microwave, it didn't have some things, but she went out of her way to buy it for my comfort. It didn't have even, like, the bed it had was a very terrible bed. She was, kind enough to change it. These cabinets that you guys are seeing here are broken. Okay, I'm not going to show you how, but it is just broken. That's why I don't even open it that much. So yeah, that is it about that place. Now, another thing that is putting me off, sorry about the mess guys, is the floors. Okay, so as you can see, these things are lifting the fuck up, and it's pissing me off. Like, every time you're moving or trying to walk around, you kick or hit your leg. So it's just so much about this apartment. And then another thing is flies. Number one is flies, guys. So there's like a lot of flies in this place, and trust me, my window is always closed 24/7, and I still don't know where they are coming from. There's also cockroach issue. Okay, a lot of cockroaches. I have done anything insecticide to chase them away, anything pest control to chase them away, but they still don't leave. All right, so I am done and I am tired. Aside from that, another thing that is common about this place is you just stay and there's this smell that comes from outside. I don't know where it comes from, but it clouds the room, and I'm just like, what is this? So there's just so many things about this place that have been pissing me off for a long time. To be honest, I stayed here for 6 months and I didn't enjoy this apartment. Take it from me, half of 6 months I wasn't here. Half of the 6 months I wasn't in this space. So many things were just pissing me off. This slab broke about a month ago, and to today nothing has been done about it. The money has been given and it hasn't been fixed. So, and she's also not offering to give my deposit back. I'm tired. You guys remember how I took my time to like furnish this toilet, to my comfort and everything. Now I have to leave literally everything. I think I don't even do too much with this room, because I would have just cried premium tears. But yeah, let me start packing my ngongo and be going, okay, so that I can become more consistent on YouTube. When you don't have a space, it's difficult to work. Really, it's difficult to work. You need to be stable to work.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me.